Hi, welcome to my channel Profit with Elliot Web. So today I'm going to share you a simple and effective strategy which earns a really lot of money. So I'm going to share only strategy, but which share to choose and all that things. So you have to figure it out because which share to choose and on what day you should choose. Uh, so that is for premium members. So, but I will show you the strategy which actually is much more effective. Okay. So for this strategy, what we need is simple moving average and RSI. With all the default settings, nothing cosmetic changes required for this moving average or RSI. Okay. So this is what I am showing in the Zerodha terminal, and it is in the this trading view. So for the moving average, you set it to simple moving average. You set it to 9. Okay, 9, and source will be close. And for RSI, also you take the simple one, length 14, and 70 will be the overbought, and 30 will be the oversold. Okay, so let me tell you how to trade. To trade, what you have to do, if there is a constant rise, if you see, if there is a constant rise, and and if you see, if it is going out of the moving average, okay, if it is going out of the moving average, and there is a congestion, there is a congestion means there is a sideways movement over here. So you have to see 3 to 4 candles, max you can take 5 candles. Okay, and as soon as you get a close below this moving average, okay, clear close below this moving average, then you can enter short. Okay, I repeat, as soon as you get a close below this moving average, it is a close should be below the moving average, and it is a intraday strategy. It is not for this one positional strategy. Don't take anything in the positional. And also one thing I will let you know that you, if you want to going for this trade, or going to take this strategy, or you want to going to take this trade, so you should take at your own risk, because I am only sharing the strategy, but which share to choose and what type of share to choose, that's all depends upon you. Okay, and if you want to learn more about this, you can contact me. So as of now, but the strategy is very simple and effective. You can choose any shares, but you should be wisely choosing the shares. Wisely means you should you should have the proper risk management, money management, and volatility of the share, open interest of the share, what is the delivery quantity it is happening in this share. All those things we have a scanner for that, and on that day we have to take that share. We have to trade on that share. Okay, this is not like that any share you take and you can what you can do, you can put the strategy in any of the share and do a back testing. You will get a very good optimistic results. But to take the trade in actual market, you have to work on the shares which is uh, which will be very effective on that day to earn the money. So now see, this is not a clear close. Okay, so we'll leave it. Okay, this is not a clear close. Clear close means this is the clear close. Okay, now see, now, and in any market there is a money management and risk management. So suppose you are having the stop loss, you have to respect the stop loss also. It is not like that your stop loss hitting and you will be sad, and suppose you take a 10 trade. okay, and in 10 trade you are having a stop loss of 3 stop losses, but in 7 you are making a profit. So it's a very good, means 1 is to 2 ratio. If you think and if you calculate, that is a very good profit you will earn. Okay, out of 10 trade, if you are, if even if you are having 5 trade winning trade and 5 losing trade also, you will be having very good money. So now see, now here it is going out of this zone. Okay, so here it is giving the clear close, and but you can have the stop loss hit. So here also you see it is going out. So now here you can take a trade. Now here is a congestion also. There is a congestion of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, and now you got a clear close. Okay, now you got a clear close. I'll repeat. Now you are getting a clear close. As soon as you get a clear close, you take the order, and you and the RSI also, if you see, it is in the overbought zone. Okay. Now, what is the stop loss? Stop loss will be the high of the candle of the congestion candle. So this is the high. Okay, 519 is the high. So 519.5. So this is the stop loss. So if this is the stop loss and you are taking the trade over here and 514 somewhat low, let's say you take the trade at 514, 5 rupees is the stop loss, and you see where you are coming down till 508. So, and how to exit from the trade? You have to exit from the trade when RSI is at 40. Okay, I'll repeat, when RSI is at 40, you have to exit the trade. Okay, see, when RSI is at 40, you have to exit the trade. You understand? So here you have to exit the trade. You can keep a trailing stop loss and you can go on carrying your profit. Okay. So if you see 514 you have taken and 508 it came. So what is the profit you are running with? Okay, 514 minus 508. So somewhat around you are getting 7 rupees, 6 rupees profit. Okay. So and you have only stop loss was 519. So 5. So 6 rupees profit and you are getting a good lot of money over here. Okay. So you can check here. Okay. So this. So another thing, if you, I will tell you, if you cannot carry, suppose now you are giving a stop loss of 1 is to 1. Intraday we always will give 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 1 only. So suppose your risk appetite is not in favor of your money management, it means you cannot take this stop loss. Then you don't take the trade, because you will get a trade anywhere. Okay, you will get another trade. You will get. Okay. So now see, now this one is the bear we have done. Now you see bull. Okay, now you see, now it is gone. Congestion is there for so much time. Okay, it is trying to rise, trying to rise, trying to rise, and finally, if you see, there is a close given here. Okay, close given here. So what you want to do? So if it is a close given here, you can take the trade. And which is the low of this candle? What is the low of this candle? So you have to go over here and you can put. Okay, you can put over here, and this one, let me see. See, you can put over the stop loss over here, 503. Let it go. Then when RSI will reach towards 60, okay, you can get out of this trade. Okay, you can, till then you can run the profit and you can get out of this trade. See. So now you see, if your money management is saying that okay, I can take 503 and this is my 503 rupees stop loss, then you go ahead and take this trade. Okay. Now here again you see, again it gone to the overbought zone, and you can see a clear close has been given and high of this candle is there. Okay, you can give somewhat, see, if you now the close is given over here. Okay, and close is given over here 511. Okay, so if it is 511, the close is given, then you can take the high of this trade 514 plus 2 rupees. I always used to give a plus 2 rupees buffer for the stop loss, because stop loss always will come according to my money management technique. I always give, but for our premium members we will be teaching is what is the money management technique we have to give. So for the money management you can give plus 2 rupees, and you can see the what is the trade, what is the profit are you running out. Okay, see what is the profit you are running. It's really a very effective strategy. It is not like that any other strategy which you cannot earn money, but which share to choose and what share to choose. We also where to choose, that also is another technique we used to give. See, there is a clear divergence over here. Okay, so if you see, RSI is heading over here and higher high is made, so there is a clear RSI divergence, negative divergence over here. So it is clear that we will go from here to here, from the RSI, from the overbought zone to oversold zone. Okay, so this is the technique. Now see in the this one, if you can see, on Thursday you can see this one. Okay, the real congestion came over here, and we fell from here, and we can take the trade over here, and the high of this one, high of this is 515. You keep 2 rupees more stop loss, 515 plus 17, 517, and you sit tight, and you will see that it will come. Whenever it will come up to 40, you can, if it is having the stop loss hitting, then it's fine. Okay, that's what I'm telling, that out of 10 trade, if 3 is having the stop loss, okay, and 7 trade is in profit, it is lot of money. Okay, so this is how we trade in this strategy. Mm, that's all, guys. If you want, before going to trade, do your back testing, uh, and select your stock wisely. And what I will be telling more, that respect your stop loss. Okay, if there is any question, you can comment, you can write in my comment box. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please like the channel. Okay, and if so that if anything you need more, you can type in the comment box. I will answer your questions. That's all. Bye.